What you're seeing here are pretty ordinary items you'll find in the dessert aisle at your grocery store, but what we're using them for is anything but, and that shouldn't surprise you when you see Steve Mons in the Kitchen Concepts kitchen, but he's not making anything today, you know? I want to talk about this award-winning chef stuff, okay?
Okay, sure, let's go, bring it on. You got a recipe for us today?
I do.
All right, then.
I do. I mean, I don't have any awards to back it up with, but I do know how to put together a quick snack.
All right,
and
put
that's
your money where your mouth is.
Actually, no, I love that you're an award-winning chef, and I love that he makes all the good stuff in the kitchen. But today, I'm making something that's so quick and so easy that we might just have to talk and sing or tap dance when we're done making this. Okay, these are actually called ice cream sandwich popsicles.
Correct.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it all starts with an ice cream sandwich, which you can buy at your grocery store.
Right. Simple.
Simple.
They're all the same pretty much, right?
Pretty much, yeah. Cut it in half.
Okay.
There you go. Then popsicle sticks. You see where we're going with this?
That's part of the name, popsicle.
Exactly.
Okay. I get to do one too here?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, of course.
Okay.
We're going to stick this popsicle stick in there.
Okay.
All right. See? Simple enough. What we have here, chocolate fudge and caramel, this is the shell that you put on ice cream.
Right, okay.
Magic shell.
Magic shell,
Yeah,
so
magic
it'll harden
shell.
on there.
So all you do is you take your popsicle ice cream sandwich, dip it in the magic shell.
Get it all covered over?
Get it all
right?
covered like so. So
Woo.
easy, I can do it. Oh, mine's melting.
Oh,
Mine's
no.
not.
Get it on the parchment paper here.
Oh, yeah.
There we
See,
go.
I still need Steve.
There we go. No, you got it. It's a little crooked, but it looks good.
And then sprinkles.
Ah, yeah, you want to decorate it up a little bit.
Decorate it up a little. Mine is not
It's a
looking
little
so
crooked.
great.
You could actually put nuts on here probably, right?
Yeah.
Different things.
Here, you do yours.
Any kind you want. Look at that. That's fun for the kids, right?
Yeah, it is fun.
Okay.
Yeah, you could do all kinds of stuff. Marshmallows.
Sure,
Why
yeah.
not? And then what we're going to do is we're going to put this in the freezer.
Oh, look out. Okay, there
So
you go.
everything can harden. That's going to really look weird.
It
okay,
is.
obviously this needs to harden for a little bit. So we made some,
But through the magic of television.
right, in our magic freezer here.
There we go.
There you
Look
go.
at that. Hey, your popsicle stick got straight ever since it was in there.
It was melting under the lights, okay? And there you go.
Look at that.
It's that easy.
Probably should hold them up and show them, right?
Okay, yours is the chocolate one,
Oh,
right?
okay. Yeah,
Yep.
there you go. That's yours.
Mine's the caramel one.
There we go. Look at that. That's pretty neat,
Okay,
right?
so now we start tap dancing, right?
Right, yeah, pretty much. We got to try them first,
We got to
right?
try them first, yes.
All right, here we go. It's the combination of an ice cream sandwich and a popsicle.
Oh, the caramel.
Oh, wow.
So good.
This is much better than I had expected, to be honest with you.
Do I win an
Not
award?
that I put any doubts on your cooking.
Oh, you should. You should.
Oh, this is top notch.
Yeah,
Oh.
no, this is really something easy to make, and I know the kids are getting antsy. Summertime, it's hot. There you go, your ice cream sandwich popsicle. And we'll put
Perfect.
the recipe on the website. Not that I think you need a recipe for this, but
Right.
you never know. You never know. And if you do make them, make sure you take a picture of them and put them on our social
Yeah,
media.
I'm gonna make an award for you so that you can be an award-winning ice cream maker. Does that sound good?
Okay, I'll take it.
Stick around. DelmarvaLife will be right back.